Hello kids and welcome to Saptora. I am Kumar and in this video you will learn to paint beautiful waterfall with different brush strokes using poster color. So let's start. First, make a rapid sketch of the concept art. Then apply a wash on paper. As you can see here, I'm applying vertical brush stroke to bring characteristic of mountains and waterfall, and I'm using a cool color scheme. Here I'm defining some rocks and some contour stone to define the mountain. Now we add some plants and flowers. Just try to bring the impression, and this is to learn and understand that how I'm using brush strokes and color. Now I'm adding some dots for the flower as a suggestion. We'll add bright colors for that. And they are almost done. Here I am using dry brush technique to create waterfall. And few sun rays here. Just mark the strokes and it's done. And we'll just a spray to add texture. And to learn more, subscribe our channel and join our online academy saptora.com. Book your free demo now.